we're back. Do not take the radio out of lock. It does not like that. All I had to do was disconnect the power, and it came back on without an issue. So the PLL does go out of lock above about 27.515 or thereabouts. It seems to handle the low channels a lot better. That's hello. That's 26.515, which is channel A or channel 1 down 1 band.
Audio check 1 2 1 2. Audio check.
This is an old radio. You know, it's old, but it's pretty decent as far as the audio performance goes. I am going to show you the back of the radio here in a second. Let me just put it back on 1. Show you the condition of the radio itself here. You can see the front panel is in very good condition for being as old as it is. The chrome is in good shape, and the back is in good shape as well. And you can see right here, made in Japan, PA speaker, external speaker, there's your serial number, Cobra 29XLR, certified for compliance, SEC rules part 15, product of DYNASCAN. It does have your standard 3-pin power connector. It's not the 2-pin, it does have a 3-pin. These things are, you know, a work of art to a degree. I think it's a very pretty radio. You know, it's kind of odd that the microphone control is all the way to the left. Usually the volume on-off switch is right here. So I don't know why they did it like that, but they did. You know, this is a 29, so I don't know what is going on with the S meter. I'm going to look at that later. You know, it's part of the 29 series. This is just, I believe this was the first 29 to have 40 channels. It's got the UPD 858 PLL. You can remove the channel board and put it back to stock if you really want to. You can do so, or you can just use it as is with the channel board on the 40 channels. This is a nice radio, and it's, you know, kind of, I don't want to say one of a kind, because I'm sure there's somebody else who's put a, you know, one of those DigiMax boards in the 29XLR. But it's a one of few radios, and it's, like I said, it's just a work of art. It's a beautiful radio, and if you know, collect ham gear and CB gear, you can definitely appreciate the craftsmanship and pride that went in to building this piece of equipment. It does have its original 4 mounting brackets there, original screws and everything, as far as I know. I have not changed any of the capacitors or anything like that. All those components are original. So, you know, if you plan on taking this radio and using it mobile, or, you know, using it to drive something, you might want to think about recapping it. That's not something I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and take it out and plug it into an antenna.